Friends, what if you could turn a single idea into a full cinematic series without a team, editing, or production overhead? Most creators get stuck between having an idea and turning it into something structured and watchable, because the process itself slows everything down. I'm Daniel, and today we're looking at Pippit, a platform designed to take that entire process and compress it into one workflow, turning a raw concept into a structured AI-driven story ready for production. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Before we break it down, let me show you one of the videos I created with Pippit. This isn't the project we'll be building today, but it gives you a quick idea of the kind of results the platform can produce.
Time to retreat. Leo, what are you doing here?
Nellingale, the mission is over. Victor. Arthur. Ryan.
Elena.
Now let's create a completely different video and go through the whole workflow step by step. Folks, Pippit is an AI-powered platform designed to turn ideas or scripts into structured, production-ready video content. It focuses on storytelling, helping you move from a raw concept to a fully built narrative with visuals, all inside one workflow. Most creators don't struggle with ideas, they struggle with turning them into something structured and watchable. That's where the process usually breaks down. At its core, it's built around the Story Studio, powered by Seedance 2.0, which takes your input and develops it into a coherent story that can be turned into a series or short-form video. Instead of handling scripting, planning, and production separately, everything is connected inside one system. What Pippit does is compress that entire workflow into one system, turning a raw idea into a structured, AI-driven story ready for production. Instead of treating content creation as disconnected steps, it brings everything together, making it easier to go from idea to finished video without a full production setup. So friends, the way this works is pretty simple. You start with an idea and type in a concept. The system begins turning it into something real while keeping your characters consistent across every scene. And that matters because that's exactly where most AI tools usually fall apart. This is built for creators who care about both speed and quality. So to show how it works in practice, let's go from a blank page to a finished miniseries. At the core of the platform is a Story Studio, powered by Seedance 2.0. It acts like a specialized assistant that takes your idea and turns it into a structured professional script. Guys, you don't have to write every scene manually. If you already have a script, you can upload it up to around 100,000 characters. But in this case, we'll use the AI script writer. All you need to do is describe your main character and the overall mood. Here we use my own face as the main character and guide the tone slightly. You can also use prompts for more cinematic location details, then just hit generate. Within seconds, you get a full script outline. It's not just structured, it builds real emotional depth, so it already feels production ready. Once the script looks good, you move into setup, where you define how your video will look. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Mates, for this story, we go with a live-action cinematic style, adding warmer lighting and more depth to support the emotional tone. So at this point, you bring in your characters and drop in your episode 1 script directly into the workspace. Everything is already set up inside the same interface. So instead of switching between tools, you're building everything in one place. Here we select Seedance 2.0, which is the core engine behind the generation, and define the format. In this case, vertical 9:16 and a short video length. You can also adjust the generation mode depending on what you need, but the key idea is that Dremina is handling the actual visual interpretation of your script. Once everything is set, you send it to generation and just wait for the result. And what's happening here is that the system takes your script, your characters, and your settings and starts turning them into actual visual scenes. Not just text, but something you can watch. And now, let's take a look at the final result. This is the video I got after completing the workflow. As you watch, pay attention to how the scenes are structured. and how the script has been translated into a finished video.
Another soul in transit?
Comes with the job.
Photographer. I chase the light.
Flight attendant. I chase the time zones.
Do you ever feel like a ghost haunting these places?
Sometimes.
Friends, whether Pippit is worth using depends on how you approach content creation. If you work with storytelling, it can simplify the process and speed up production. Its main strength is a single connected workflow, taking you from idea to final visuals without breaking the process. At the same time, the result depends on your input. You still need a clear direction to get the most out of it. I personally use it, but whether you decide to use it is up to you, and I hope this helps you make that choice. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.